Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're going to stop payments now. First, confirm where the charge originates: App Store, Google Play, or the app's own billing. Once identified, sign into the exact account tied to that payment and open the subscriptions or billing section. Make sure you note the last charge date and the payment method on file, because you'll need that info to confirm cancellation and request refunds if necessary. Now proceed to the platform-specific cancellation path. Next, follow the cancellation steps for the platform you identified. If it's App Store or Google Play, go to Subscriptions, find the app, and tap Cancel, confirm when prompted. If the app manages billing, open its account or payment screen, locate your active plan, and cancel there. Some apps require a web portal. Once done, capture a screenshot or save the confirmation email, because that proves the end date of billing and will help if charges continue. To finish, check your inbox for a cancellation confirmation and note the subscription end date so you know when billing stops. If you were charged after canceling, request a refund right away. Attach your screenshots and receipt to support your case. If the company won't cooperate or charges keep appearing, contact your bank to dispute the charge and provide the same evidence. Finally, remove the app or sign out to prevent accidental reactivation. That's single troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.